In this tutorial, we will teach you how to create retro typography in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we will add text on the canvas with Helvetica-Normal as the font type and 100 point for the size. Remove color from the text and go to the Appearance panel on your right. From there, select the Add New Fill option. Now change the color of the fill to 8E3E25. Go to the Transparency panel and change its blend mode to Multiply. Add another fill from the Appearance panel. Whenever you add a new fill, you will see that it appears above the rest of the options in the Appearance panel. Move the newly added fill below the previous fill and change its color to FCCA. While selecting it, go to Effect, move over to Distort and Transform, and click on the Transform option. This opens the Settings panel, where we will enter -2 point to the horizontal move and 2 point to the vertical move. Click on OK to apply this effect. The next fill that we'll add, we will position it right at the bottom and change its color value to CAF6FC. Now go to the Effect menu, move over to Convert to Shape, and select the Rectangle option. In the Settings menu, define the relative width as 30 point and height as 8 point. Next, go back to the Effect menu, drop down to Warp, and choose the Squeeze option. In the Squeeze settings, just click on Horizontal and change the bend to 23. You can resize the shape according to your illustration. Now duplicate the fill by clicking on the Duplicate Selected Item icon located at the bottom of the Appearance panel. Take this duplicate fill right at the top. Change its color value to D3CBCD. Now we will be adding a grain effect to this fill as well. You can do this by going to Effect, moving over to Texture, and selecting the Grain option. In the Settings window that now appears, change the Intensity to 78, Contrast to 50, and set the grain type to Sprinkles. Change the blend mode of the fill to Multiply, and reduce its opacity to 38%. To create the last fill, copy the one you were working on. Let this fill stay at the top. Delete the grain effect, and you can change the color of the fill if you wish. Lastly, create a stroke for the text. Add the same brownish color to it as you did in the first fill, and increase the stroke weight to 2 from the Stroke panel. Apply the Transform effect by going to Effect, moving over to Distort and Transform, and selecting the Transform option. From its Settings panel, set both horizontal and vertical move to -4 point. Your basic retro typography is now ready for use.